Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for computer science. To begin, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts thoroughly. Computer science builds upon foundational knowledge, so a strong grasp of basics like data types, variables, and control structures is crucial. Break down complex topics into smaller, digestible parts, tackling one concept at a time. Establish a consistent study routine, dedicating at least 1 hour daily to review material and practice. This steady approach prevents overwhelm and builds confidence over time. To truly master computer science concepts, engage actively with your learning materials. Don't just passively read. Instead, take notes and highlight key information. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts can simplify complex algorithms, making them easier to remember. Try explaining a concept to a friend or even to yourself. This process reveals gaps in your understanding and reinforces what you already know. This active engagement helps embed knowledge deeply. Consistent practice is paramount in computer science. After understanding a concept, immediately apply it by writing code. Start with simple programs and gradually increase complexity. Utilize online platforms offering programming challenges to test your skills across different problem types. When your code doesn't work, embrace debugging. It's a powerful learning tool. Identifying and fixing errors strengthens your problem-solving abilities and deepens your understanding of programming logic. Aim for at least 30 minutes of coding practice daily. Regular review is essential to retain information and connect different topics. Set aside time weekly to revisit previously covered material. Don't hesitate to collaborate with classmates. Discussing problems and solutions can offer new perspectives and clarify difficult concepts. If you encounter persistent challenges, reach out to your teacher during office hours or explore online forums. There are vast communities ready to help. Remember, asking questions is a sign of a strong learner, not a weakness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.